And there's that fox body. Oh well, it won't be too many more years and they'll be parking Teslas down here. Well, I guess about another 40 years.
Just like yours.
That's pretty. Oh my goodness. Beautiful 34 Dodge. Simply beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's go look at this 25 Nash. Is that beauty or what? Oh my goodness.
No, my car that I had, she got it, he traded it. What's real similar?
It's been a good project. There's not a lot of time.
Car in the box. Car in the box and
Car in the box.
nice.
All right. Look at that. First done right. All right. Oh. All right. Oh, what do we got here? Very nice. Ah. F2. Very nice. 48 one ton, yeah. What we got over here? Well, I'll be darned. Look at that, a Viper. All right. Look at that. Very nice.
The whole target, the whole center of the roof on that comes off? Yeah, so it's basically like a half.
Alright. Hold on. Flat tractor, a couple of them.
Right, it's already down there.
Now there's a minute you'll never get back. All right.
That's really cool.
All right.
That's really cool.
Yeah, let's go look at this 25 Nash. Anything a beauty or what? Oh my goodness.
No, my car that I have, she got it, he traded it. What's real similar?
It's been a good project. Carney's spent a lot of time on it.
Car in the box. Car in the box and
Car in the box.
nice.
Oh, look at that. Alright. Model A's.
No.
More Model A's.
There's a magenta colored TR6 down there.
Oh, okay.
Which I thought it was. Yeah, I thought it was one that I might have owned once, and I looked at it.
And at some point, we might actually get to see a car in here.
Oh, that's right. It's over by. I remember you telling me now. The road divide. Yeah.
Right. Let's come over and check out this Coeur from BC. This is one beautiful car.
motor out to get at it. It'd be pretty tough. Well, you can get in it probably with a wobbly, but it'd be so tight.
All right. Well, here's the silver auction collection lot thing. You want to look at the cars you're going to bid on later? Well, the cars somebody's going to bid on later. We got a few. Alright. Hot boys, 3/4 ton. 1 ton GMC. Oh yeah. Look at that Hornet. Yeah. Alright, no panel. Pretty. Alright, let's go have a look at this little man. Willie's.
Oh, wow.
Oh, T-bucket there. It's Chevy powered. Nice little walk around. All right.
Presented by Mike White Coeur. Napa Auto Parts is Carter Lane's sponsor of last night's Carter Lane Cruise. And today's car show is sponsored by Spokane Teachers Credit Union. That's SPCU.
Oh, yeah.
Once again, SPCU are award sponsors of Idaho Teachers Credit Union. And I want to say thanks to all of our sponsors.
Authentic looking Chevy there. 1 ton. All right. Look at that. All right. Got a couple old cars downtown this weekend. Oh, looky here. All right. All right. Oh, yeah. Let's have a look in here. See what we can see. Oh, that's pretty. Yes, it is. All right. I'm going for a closer look at this one. All right. Look at that. Pretty. Comes with its own history board. 64 Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. Piece of history right there. Beautiful. All right. Check this out. All right, a little Ferrari row here. Oh yeah. whole row of Ferraris. Oh man. Look at that. Holy wow. I don't know about you, but hippie like, oh my goodness, look at that 430. Ay, ay, ay. All right, now there's a cool Model A fire truck right there. Look at that. All right. That is indeed super pretty. All right.